Hello and welcome to another episode of the Maestro. Today we're going to do a new road, and my friend Peter will be very happy about that. I rode up from LA to a little cowboy town of Creston to meet my buddies, my old crew actually, riding down from San Francisco at a little restaurant called The Loading Chute. And from the loading chute down to Highway 58 is a little road called Rossi's Driveway. It's a 1.5 lane, non-divided, twisty, turny, wheelie road that is very famous with the locals. So let's take a ride down Rossi's Driveway. And always, if you do us a solid by liking and subscribing, it'll give us the incentive to keep making these videos for you. So here we go. Rossi's Driveway, Mad Gav on the Tuono factory, followed by Judah on the ZX10RR, followed by yours truly on the trusty Tuono. And you're going to see as we start getting into this road a little bit, it's a little straightaway through the farmland just south of Creston, and then it just winds into this tight, twisty of a road. And you got to be careful because we've even met an 18-wheeler on this road, believe it or not, but it's horse country. So it's not that unusual to meet a pickup truck towing a horse trailer on this. And as we go through it, you're going to see a lot of whoops. And Judah is a master on carrying the front wheel about 2 feet in the air going over the whoops. So look for that, and here we go as it begins to tighten up. And now we connect to Highway 58, which runs from Santa Margarita to the little town of McKittrick. It's 75 miles long, and we're going to feature that in our next video. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.